Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Losko Electric Space Tower Heater. Losko's remote control ceramic tower heater with digital display will keep you warm in your home office, bedroom, or almost any other room in your house. Its elongated ceramic heating element, powerful air penetration, and widespread oscillation provide even heat distribution throughout the room. Its handy carry handle makes it simple to transport to most rooms in your house. This heater's digital controls, programmable thermostat, and 8-hour timer make staying warm a breeze. This heater has simple digital controls, 2 heat settings, an 8-hour timer, an adjustable thermostat, and widespread oscillation. For your convenience, a multifunction remote control is included. This tower heater has a handy carry handle on the back so you can easily move it from room to room where you need extra warmth the most. The power cord for this heater is 6 feet long. Because of its slim design, this heater can heat an entire room without taking up much space. Because the heater is lightweight, it is easily portable. It comes completely assembled and ready to use. Our second best electric heater is Enon Electric Space Heater. The thermostat system can keep your room at a comfortable temperature based on the thermostat settings. This heater can be used in a small area while simultaneously warming your surroundings. Ceramic space heaters heat up quickly, produce a lot of heat without using open coils, and last a long time. 1,500 watts on high and 750 watts on low. When plugged in, the power indicator light illuminates. Carrying handle for simple transportation. Adjustable thermostat for cozy warmth in the home or office. This ceramic space heater has a tip-over switch located on the bottom left of the appliance that disconnects it when tilted or tipped. This ceramic heater has a handle and is portable. Its small size makes it easy to fit into any space. When the heater's components overheat, an automatic overheat system will turn the unit off. When the unit is tipped forward or backward, the tip-over switch will turn it off. The power indicator light can tell you if it's plugged in at a glance. Third in our list is Casper Electric Space Heater. The heating elements in this Casper Electric Space Heater provide faster and more efficient heating than traditional heaters. Casper Electric Space Heaters heat up quickly in 2 seconds, produce a large amount of heat without opening the coil, and have a long service life. Small and portable design allows the heater to provide warmth anywhere. The built-in automatic overheat protection system will turn off the unit if the heater parts overheat, and the tip-over switch will turn off when tipped forward or backward. It is extremely simple and convenient for you to move from one location to another. Small and portable design allows the heater to provide warmth anywhere. Turn the knob to the fan position for cool wind, low for warm wind low power, and high for hot wind maximum power to activate the heater. The small portable heater, when combined with an adjustable thermostat control, can keep your room at a comfortable temperature. It also allows you to adjust the heater's 1,500 watt ceramic heating element. The small space heater for indoor use is equipped with a switch to turn off the machine if it is overheated. The overheat protection design will turn off the appliance automatically in the event of severe overheating. Number 4 in our best electric heater list is Give Best Electric Space Heater. The heater has a thermostat that helps maintain the temperature you set, allowing the heater to be both warm and energy efficient. The ceramic heater produces less than 45 decibels of noise, making it suitable for use in a bedroom while sleeping for the majority of people. Ideal for use in a dorm, bedroom, living room, RV, hot yoga, and so on. The built-in PTC ceramic heating technology and high-speed fan help warm up the room quickly, making it ideal for use in your living room, warming up a 200 square foot room in minutes. Give Best Ceramic Heater is a great choice if you need a cute mini heater in your office. When working, it is beneficial to warm up your hands and feet. With PTC ceramic heating technology and a high-speed fan, this heater can heat up 200 square feet in seconds. Helps to save energy by heating up needed small spaces rather than heating the entire house with other centralized heaters. It's quiet enough to use while sleeping in a bedroom. This 120 volts heater with a 6-foot cord and a 2-prong connection is suitable for indoor use in places such as the office, room, desk, home, and bedroom. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Vornado MVH Vortex heater. Vornado heaters are built with your safety in mind. Even after hours of continuous operation, the cabinet remains cool to the touch. It also shuts down automatically if excessive heat is detected or if the unit is tipped over. Gently heat all the air in a small to medium-sized room using Vornado's signature Vortex action without using intense heat. The air circulates quickly, warmly, and gently, providing a heating experience unlike any other. To maintain a set room temperature, use an adjustable thermostat to control your comfort. Heat efficiently with 3 heat settings that allow you to customize heat output and energy consumption. The MVH Whole Room Vortex heater is an efficient way to save energy. The MVH, which is equipped with Vornado's Vortex technology, quickly, quietly, and efficiently heats all of the air in the room. 3 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat enable precise heat control, while advanced safety features like tip-over protection and an automatic safety shutoff system provide peace of mind. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!